Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Sanjana and I'm so sorry that I haven't uploaded any videos since forever. That's because I'm being busy for a long time, and today I bought a new tutorial for you on this look. And ये जो मेकअप लुक आज मैं आपको ट्यूटोरियल शो करने वाली हूँ, it's almost inspired by Iqra Aziz from खुदा एंड मोहब्बत सीज़न 3 बिकॉज इंडिया में भी और पाकिस्तान में भी ये बहुत ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है ये सीरियल. इसी वजह से मैंने उसी से इंस्पायर्ड एक मेकअप लुक ट्राई किया है. एंड गाइज, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो आई होप दैट यू विल बी सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माई चैनल इफ़ यू हैवंट. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू, लेट्स गेट बैक टू द वीडियो. Okay, so I've already prepped my face, so I will directly move on to the foundation part. So I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I will blend it all over my face. Now I will build up the coverage of the foundation wherever I have imperfections. Now I will fill my brows by using a spoolie and a gel liner. Now I will use a concealer to make my brows look sharp and crisp, and I will spread out the concealer on all over my lids as an eyeshadow base. I'm taking this shade from the Huda Beauty New Nudes palette to set the concealer which I have applied on my eyelids. I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer for my under eyes and to highlight my high tones. After that, I'm taking a contour stick to enhance the shape of my face. Now I will use a translucent powder to set my under eyes and the places where I have applied a concealer. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using this shade from the New Nudes palette again, and I will apply this shade onto my crease. Now I'm taking this shade from the same palette and I will apply it again onto my crease to increase the depth and dimension of my eyelids. Now moving on to the fun part, I'm making a half cut crease and I will be applying some shimmer onto this. I'm using this shimmer from the Savannah Colors eyeshadow palette and I will apply it only on the place where I have cut the crease, and then I will take a clean fluffy brush and I will blend the crease very well so that it looks like a soft cut crease look. I am using the same eyeshadow which I have applied on my crease previously to enhance the cut crease. Now I will be applying the same shimmering shade on the inner part of my lower waterline. After that, I will take the same shade which I've used on my crease to apply it on my lower lash line and the inner corner of my upper lash line. After that, I will complete the look by applying some liner and mascara. Moving on to my face, now I'm using some bronzer to enhance my contour. After I have done contouring my face, I'm applying some blush and then I will apply some lipstick. For lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade number 15, Lover. And now last but not the least, I will apply some highlighter on my high tones and the inner corners of my eyes. So the makeup is done now guys, and get ready for the final look.
यू गाइस, आई होप कि आप लोगों को वीडियो बहुत ही पसंद आया होगा, और अगर पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को एक थम्स अप ज़रूर देना और कमेंट में बताना कि आपको ये लुक कैसा लगा और नेक्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल पे आपको कौन सा लुक चाहिए, या अगर आपका कोई भी डिमांड है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बता सकते हैं। और मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करना ना भूलें, मैंने अपना लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन पे दे दिया है। ओके, सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो गाइस, लव यू ऑल।